To make nail glue at home, first cut off one end of a cotton swab to make a stirring stick. Fill a small bowl with 1 cup, 237 milliliters of PVA glue, also known as white school glue. Mix in a 1/4 ounce, 7.4 milliliters of clear nail polish. Stir the ingredients together for about 2 to 3 minutes with the cut off end of the cotton swab. Paint a layer of the glue onto your nail with the same end of the cotton swab. Then, press on an artificial nail and hold it in place for 10 seconds. It should take about 10 minutes for the glue to dry completely. If you have extra glue left over, store it in a clean nail polish bottle. Soak your nails in an acetone-based nail polish remover for 45 minutes to dissolve the glue and remove your fake nails. When you're done, wash your nails with soap and water.